Today you're here because you want to know how I printed money. You're here because you want to know how you can earn $5,600 in 36 hours. Exactly what I did in the last 2 days. Mind blowing. Let's go. You can print money with Meteora. What is Meteora? It's a liquidity provider for Solana network, but they have something special. They have these dynamic liquidity market makers. Today we will explore everything about this. Plus, we're participating in Meteora's airdrop, and this airdrop is expected to be one of the biggest on Solana ecosystem. So the more fees you capture, the more airdrop you will get when the time comes. Here are all the necessary tools we'll need for our arsenal. Obviously, Meteora and their dynamic liquidity market maker pools. Obviously, Jupiter for swapping tokens on Solana. DEX screener so we can monitor the price action of our pair, and CoinGecko to validate the price impact. These are all the necessary websites for today. Where can you find those links? On the first link of the description, like always, which redirects you on my website, from where also if you go to subscriptions you can have access to our private digital asset land Discord. There we printed money the last couple of days, and if you were here you would have printed too. So come and join the best Web3 team right now. Remember that I'm just a guy on the internet, and this video is only for entertainment, and for sure I'm not a financial advisor. Let's set up our work now. First of all, Meteora. Here on DLMM I'm searching for Trump. That is exactly my strategy. This is just an example. 1 month later, a new meme coin or a new token might have a great volatility, a great volume. So for now the demonstration will happen on Solana and Trump. Then we will open Jupiter, the best DEX aggregator on Solana, so we can start swapping from Trump to Solana and back when it is necessary. Then we will need DEX screener. So here is the DEX screener where we can monitor our trading pair. And lastly, CoinGecko. We're opening 2 CoinGeckos, one for Solana and one for official Trump. Let's go here and copy the official address, go back to DEX screener and paste it here. We will not choose the first one because this is the USDC pair. We will choose the second one, and we're going to click here on the show. Now we're watching Trump against Solana. That is why we're seeing 0.17. This is the Trump to Solana pair. I'm switching our time frame to 1 minute right over here. Let's fix our chart and we're good to go. Let's go back to Meteora, and as you can see there are 3 possible pools: the bin 20, 10 and 8. For the bin number 10 I earned the most money. I also earned from the bin 125, but right now I cannot see it. Probably it's out of here. I don't know why. I also earned a lot from Melania and Solana pool. So that's why I'm telling you this is not the case. This is just an example. What are the differences? Let's focus on the 20 and the 10. Here I'm on the 20. As you can see, these are all the prices from 0.16 to 0.18. So let's go to our chart and see exactly the prices. This is 16.35 and 18.43. So I put the first line on 0.1843 and the last one 0.1635. If the price stays between these levels, you are earning fees. If the price goes outside, you're stop earning fees. Now we're going to bin step 10. So here let's see the prices. It seems narrower. What does this mean? Let's go back to the chart. This is between the 2 red lines. So we have only this price range. If we go outside, again, no fees for us. So what do we understand here? For bin step number 10, it is way easier to go outside the range and obviously we're earning more fees because of this. On being step number 20, it's not so easy to go outside the ranges, but we're earning less fees. Totally logical. One more important thing for this strategy to work is the volume, guys. Do you see this? Not even 100 millions. When Trump launched the first 2 days, this was 1 billion. Do you understand what we're doing here? We're capturing the fees from trading. So when people are trading Trump to Solana or Solana to Trump, they're paying some fees, and we are earning because we provide the liquidity on Trump and Solana. That's why we need a lot of volume. We need a lot of trading to happen. That's why we're earning a ton of fees. As you can see, this was in 36 hours. Let's explain now the three strategies. First one, the spot. Let's go to our chart and say, for example, let's say these are the two limits right over here. So with the spot strategy, you're earning the most when the price stays right over here in the middle. As you can see here, this is the concentrate of liquidity in the middle. Your goal is that the price stays something like this and not going to the edge of your liquidity. The curve is only good for stable pairs, for example USDC to USDT or Solana to be Solana, because these prices are not changing. For example, let's go right over here. We need this. If this goes right over here, it is over. As you can see, it's only good for stable pairs and not for volatile assets. Bid ask is how I made most of my money right over here, guys. This is the exact opposite. You need your liquidity to be here or here. As long as it stays here, you're not earning much. But if the price goes here and stays to this range or goes here and stays to this range, you're earning a ton of fees. Guys, you're printing money. Guys, I started this strategy with 30 Solana and in one day I went up to 90 Sol. Let's start our strategy. For example, to Sol to Trump. This is why we need CoinGecko tool. We're going down and right to Solana. This is 506 USD. I'm copying it and I'm going to Trump. I'm pasting here on dollars and this is the exact amount, 11.36. Jupiter giving me 11.26. Not much of a pricing, but guys, when this came out and the volatility was crazy, this was not correct. That's why in such volatile times we always double check with CoinGecko to see if we're getting good prices right over here. So I will swap my 2 Solana to Trump right now. So I swapped 2 Solana to 11.25 Trump and I'm going right over here. I'm adding a position, max of the Trump and 2 of Solana. Always unclick this autofill so you can decide this amount. My strategy is bid ask as I told you, and I'm adding liquidity right over here. Liquidity is on, so we're waiting for the change of this price. What is happening right now? If Trump goes down, this will move to the left, and if Trump goes up, this will move to the right. Why, guys? Because people are swapping between your Trump and your Sol. So if this starting going up, what does this mean, guys? It means that Trump has a lot of demand, so people buy your Trump and giving you Solana. That is why this will go to the right. The best part is when the price goes right over here or right over there. You're earning a ton of fees when it goes there. As you can see, I'm start earning fees for Solana and for Trump. Obviously, I have not deposited much. My last strategy was with 30 Solana. At some point, I had here $25,000. So you wait for the price to go there or there to earn the most of the fees. This is going down, as you can see. That's why this is moving to the left and we start earning more fees. But now I told you guys, we're not having much volume. Imagine this volume to 1 or 2 billion where it was at the token launch. Do you understand what was going on here? This was going up $5 every 10 seconds. That is why for you to understand the strategy in case of any other Trump coin, I don't know, his son, his daughters, I don't even know, any other meme coin of the future that will go viral and will have enormous volume, this will be printing money. Guys, if you want to see how much money I was printing, go to my website, and here is my social. Go to TikTok and find this video. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is really amazing. $260 and $277, more than $500, and this was only in half an hour. Can you really understand this? This was mind-blowing. Now we had the correction, and as you can see, this is moving to the left. That's why we start earning this amount of fees. With only 4 Solana in total and with only 89 million in volume, we still earning more than $1 in 3 minutes. Can you imagine? On the first day of the token launch, with 1 billion in volume and with 30 Solana right over here. That's why I was printing money for 2 days and I earned in total more than $5,500. Now if the price continues to go down, what does this mean? That this will go out of range right over here, guys, and you will have only Trump. All your Solana will be swapped into Trump. What are you doing there? You're waiting because this price might go back and then you can be on the edge, the best part. But if the price continues going down, there's only one option. You can always claim your fees right over here, but you should go to withdraw and close position. That's the only way. And then you will have only Trump and you go back there and swap all or your Trump to Solana. These are 11.65. Let's go to Trump. 11.65. This is the amount in dollars. Copy. Go to Solana, paste it. 2.04. Is Jupiter giving me this? Jupiter is giving me even more. Obviously, I'm going to swap and I'm earning from the swapping fees. Beware, because Jupiter going crazy at that time. You know what Jupiter did to us at the token launch? It was saying, for example, 2.06 and it only gave us 1.89, for example. This was crazy times. So you have to always check your balance here. Now, let's say that you think Trump will go down. You know what you can do? You can go here and deposit only Solana. Here, bid ask again, add liquidity, right over here, confirm, and you deposited only Solana. Why? Because you think Trump will go down. So people will want to sell Trump. So they will want to buy Solana. So you're depositing only Solana so that people can swap from your Solana to Trump. As you can see, there's only one way. Trump must go down. If Trump start going up, exactly what is happening right now, you will go out of range. I went out of range to the right, so we have to wait for Trump to go down. If it's not and continue going up, only one way again. Withdraw and close your position. The exact opposite is happening if you think that Trump will go up. What do? You deposit only Trump here because people will want Trump because of high demand, so they are willing to buy your Trump and they will give you Solana. And I will explain you one of my strategies that I used on the second day. What I was doing, I was waiting for Trump to go up. When I was thinking that this was the top, I was going there and I entered only Solana because I thought this will go down. And why I did this? Because of the enormous demand for Trump. Jupiter was paying a premium to swap from Trump because everybody wants to buy Trump. When I did this, all of my Solana were swapping to Trump when the price went down. And then I was going to Jupiter, for example, I was swapping 100 Trump and Jupiter was giving me 17.5, although the real swap was 15 Sol. Can you understand? With one swap I was earning 2 and 3 Solana. DeFi is my world, guys. DeFi is what I understand. DeFi is what I like. This is advanced DeFi. I can understand if it feels a little bit complicated, but it is very logical. You're swapping between these two assets and you can earn a ton of money. So next time that the Trump goes out on market, you are ready to capture a lot of fees from all the traders. And the best part, Meteora is expected to be one of the biggest airdrops on Solana ecosystem. So by using Meteora exactly like this and by earning a ton of fees, you will be eligible to one of the biggest airdrops on Solana ecosystem. So guys, if you like those advanced DeFi strategies, please like this video, and always a nice comment is appreciated. Of course, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on to see more videos like this. Go and like it, it's totally free. At the bottom, all the official links of Meteora. That was it, my lovely people. See you on the next one here at Airdrop Hunters.